Like to edit your workout like this, come along with me in this tutorial and you will learn it. First, open your CapCut and add your images into the app.
Whispered promises straight to my heart. I'd never noticed.
Accept image 1, copy all of the images, and from the overlay section, put the copy of the images into the second layer. Put the copy of the image 2 between the image 1 and 2. From remove background section, go to custom, and with quick brush section, select your subject. Go to the animation and set fall in animation for the image 1 and copy of image 2.
Think you better relax your follow me no matter where. Think you better relax your follow me no matter where.
Go to the animation and set fall in animation for the image 2 and the copy of image 3. Like the previous part, select a subject with quick brush.
You say we're not meant for each other.
Add 2 keyframes for each of the copy of the images. The first keyframe, put the image down, and for the second keyframe, pull the image up. And do it again for the copy of image 3. Set the keyframe to the beginning of the image and pull the picture down, and the second keyframe, pull the picture up.
Picture on my I want us to be what we used to be this night. Maybe just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think you better relax your follow me no matter where. Think you better relax your follow me no matter where.
I remember the streetlights on the corner by the park. We used to stay and drink past midnight till the sunrise, talking shit, a couple kids. We were friends that turned to lovers. Yeah, we fell into each other, but our love burned out like a cigarette. And I'm wishing that I would've said, I hope you're happier now, now that I'm gone, moving on. I know you wish I was burning in hell, and all you want is the memory left. And I still think about you sometimes when I'm fucked up in the middle of the night. I know you wish I was burning in hell, but I still wish you well. Hope you're happier now. I remember the cabin in Tennessee. We got so high we cried, and you looked like heaven in the passenger seat, but life just passed us by. 'Cause we weren't meant to be, but you still got a piece of me. Ooh, and I know you hate my guts, but I swear I mean it, love. I hope you're happier now, now that I'm gone, moving on. I know you wish I was burning in hell, and all you want is the memory left. And I still think about you sometimes when I'm fucked up in the middle of the night. You wish I was burning in hell, but I still wish
Okay, step 2. Go to the PicsArt app. From text part, I type McFit and select the desired font and set the color of the text to green. Now go back to the CapCut. From Add Overlay section, add the image. From Remove Background section, go to the Chroma key and select the green color. Then add keyframes to the photo and gradually enlarge it until the first image shows up. Then add the video and go to the camera tracking, select the body, turn on fit canvas, keep body size and blur canvas. Now with every movement of the subject, the camera moves in the same direction and makes the editing much more professional and attractive. Add animation between the last picture and the video. Go to the effects and video effects and set hollow blur. Go to the video effects again and set camera dance. Set the size to 23, range to 28, speed to 34 and blur to 71 and glow to 24. Go to the body effect and select one-way shift. Another body effect that I choose is rotating swing. The next video effect that I use is wobble. And the next video effect is flash fill. And I go to the adjust section and do some adjustments and filters to the video. And I select hollow blur effect to the end of the video. And that's it. I hope you like it. If you like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.